Alright, this is day 2 of the Preak week. 2 liters to 250 milliliters of water we drank yesterday. The usual stuff, and I had to go to the toilet every 1 hour. I'm feeling absolutely starving, and I've dropped 1 kilogram since yesterday, so water is going down. We're on day 2, and we have carbs 150. Yesterday we ate 171 instead of 162. And the sodium is the same as yesterday, so we're gonna try and limit it as much as we can. And yeah, just keep the overall calories to 2,600. So now we're gonna be going to the gym, hit a leg workout, and just smashing the legs. Let's go. Alright, so meal 1 of the day is gonna be half of this skyr. 1 tablespoon, about 16 grams of this right here, peanut butter. Then we're gonna eat half of what's left over from yesterday's protein pudding. About 50% of the carbs is only in the breakfast meals during the day. Just gonna have a little bit of rice, just so we top up to 150 grams of carbs. So this is meal 2 of the day. This is 130 grams of rice, basmati rice. Then we have 120 grams of chicken. And just to spice things up, so I'm going to use this no calorie honey barbecue sauce. Last meal of the day, we decided to go with a doner. It has a salad and it has only chicken from the sheesh.